Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today I have the distinct honor and pleasure to bring with you the Charlotte Tilbury new Supermodel Brows. Share that with you. Okay, so with this box that I got from Influenster, it's supposed to be very easy to fill, feather, and fix your eyebrows. You know who's doing that ringing over there, Miss Brooklyn. So they gave me this card to show me how easy it's going to be. It's 1, 2, 3 to fill, feather, and fix. It also says 2 of these products are refillable, so I will go through that as well. And I have 3 products here, though it does say 4, so one of them I am missing. But let me share with you what I do have. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Micro Precision Brow Pencil. This is refillable, and it's in the shade dark brown, which in fact I already have one. So I've already been using this brow sheet, so I won't open this one. This will be either a backup for me or for maybe an upcoming giveaway. So I'm going to use the one that I have already. It is in brown as well, dark brown as well. So for this end with the spoolie, and I will tell you the spoolie is very, very stiff. So it's easy to brush up those brows and get them prepped for the brow sheet. And then with this, you just screw it up to get the product. And then I'll show you how this is refillable. So with this end, we're going to just line the bottom of my brow. So I have a good starting point to work from. And then I just flick upward. New fan alert. Darling, we love it. Don't you love it too? We love it. I'm going to actually work with the manufacturer to get some of these for my Bellas out there, because you know it's summertime, honey. Relax on the beach with this beautiful fan waving in your face, or just, you know, calm down those shiny moments when you're just glistening after putting on your makeup. So now let me show you how this is refillable. So the part where we use to fill in the brow, that is the part that actually comes out. So you just unscrew it. And voila, it comes apart. This part you get refills for. When you get your refill, you put it back in the same brow sheet and screw it back in. I mean, who doesn't love that, right? Who doesn't love that? Alright, so that was the brow sheet. It has micro precision, made effortless hair-like strokes on my brow, and I love it because I already had it, so you know I love it. Alright, the next product that I got, Brow Lift. So the Brow Lift is also a brow pencil, also in the shade dark brown, and this brow lift is also refillable. This brow lift looks like this, and why they call it a brow lift, it also has the spoolie on the back, and it has an even more defined shape here. So this tool is actually used to shape, feather, and fill. and also to create structure definition. It is also refillable. So you could take this top off just like I did the other one and get a refill for it. So I'm just going to go into the back half of my eyebrow and just fill that in a little bit more to make it a little more deeper as we go back there. And again, use the spoolie to lift up and see if you are all blended in, which I am on this side. So I'm going to go over to my left and use the same process. Okay, so they didn't send me the new brow fix. What they did send me though is the Legendary Brows, which is what we're going to try on next. This is also in the shade brown, dark brown. Oh my goodness, so hard to open when you have nails. So this Legendary Brows is a micro precision tinted brow, and it's a gel for hair-like texture and definition. Ooh, again, love this packaging. Very nice, very chic. And it is not refillable, but look at that spoolie. That is beautiful. So I'm going to just take this and then flick it over my brows so I can have that hair-like precision, as well as them locking those brows in place. Alright, there we have it. That is the brow tutorial for today. I love these products. I want to thank Influenster for giving me this box and letting me try these amazing products from Charlotte Tilbury, darling. I love them all. Like I said, I am already a stan of their brow pencil, the Brow Cheat. I love this for added kind of definition to the back end. The Brow Lift, loved. And then this baby just locked it all in place, and it is tinted. This is the Legendary Brows in dark brown. I'm going to zoom you in now so you can see, as well as put on my mascara. So the first mascara I'm going to start with is the MAC Extended Play Giga Lash. Oh, but before I do that, let's use this. This is the new rougher eye curler. And I'll tell you, I've been scared of eye curlers because I thought they all made my lashes look too hard. And it also was very pinchy for me. But once you get the hang of it, it's fine. So I did curl my eyes with the new rougher eye curler. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Giga Lash Extended Play. So if you see there's lots of definition with the eyelash curler. I did leave it very softly defined. I'm just going to go over now to the left hand side. Okay, that's the first coat down. And now we're going to go in with the new Westman Atelier mascara. Again, I love the packaging in this, and I love both the bristles as well as the handle. It really feels like it's giving you control over how to put mascara on your lashes, and I love that. And I love that with the curler, my lashes do not fall down, which is something I was starting to notice as I'm putting on 3, 4, 5 coats of mascara. I noticed that my lashes were starting to fall down and not become as curly as they normally are. So I love that this really holds it up. And of course, you know, I can't leave you without a little Mother Pat. This is her Dark Star Mascara, one of my faves. And I'm just going to use this to recurl a little bit and add a little lengthening. Remember, drop it down and wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's how you put on mascara, darling, when you're talking about Mother Pat. Drop it down, or first let me curl it up a little bit so that all the lashes can be curly, and then I'll drop it down and wiggle. All right. And now while I'm waiting for those coats to dry, I'm going to do my lips. And for my lips, I am going to use Mother Pat. Again, this is Peach Perversion. I already have some liner down that I use of hers, Buff, in case you're wondering. And now Peach Perversion. I just love this color. It's like my lips but plussed up. And there we have the complete look. Once again, I want to thank Charlotte Tilbury and Influenster for bringing me this lovely gift. I'm so happy that I was chosen. I love all the products contained in this box, and I hope you will consider purchasing one or all of them. I'm going to leave the links to what they are and how to get them in my description box below. Until next time, you have now been bellified. Take over, all this on me.